Council and the FAW headquarters for the semi-final of this year's FAW Girls Cup. I'm delighted to be joined today by Will Lloyd-Williams, who is the chair of the National Cup Board. Congratulations to the 4 teams that have made it through so far. They're Abergavenny, Barry Town United, Cardiff Cosmopolitan and Henllan. The final 4 certainly seem to know where their scoring boots are, judging by the scores from yesterday, and I'm really looking forward to these semi-final games, as I'm sure they'll be equally exciting. The matches are due to be played on the 26th of February and they'll be at neutral grounds to be decided once the draw's taken place. So, let's crack on, Will, and see who's going to play who.
Good. Diolch am te, mae'n bleser bod mae'n neud dro. Gen i gychwyn. Barry Town United. Barry Town United will play Clwb Pêl-droed Henllan. Cardiff Cosmopolitan will play the last one. Abergavenny.
Thank you, Will. So that concludes the draw for the semi-final of this year's FAW Girls Cup. Best of luck to all the teams remaining.